Hallo Leute, welcome to my channel SK's Deutsch Weg. My name is SK. Today we will learn how to uh, introduce ourselves in Deutsch. So let's begin. Ich heiße SK. Ich bin 24 Jahre alt. Ich komme aus Bangladesch. Im Moment wohne ich in Dhaka. Mein Hobby ist Cricket spielen oder Fahrradfahren. That's how we can introduce ourselves. Now I just elaborate what I say. Zum Beispiel, for example, uh, at the beginning, I say that Ich heiße Shakur. That means my name is Shakur or my name is SK. After that, I say that ich bin 24 Jahre alt. That's mean uh, uh, I am 24 years old. After that, I said, ich komme aus Bangladesch und im Moment wohne ich in Dhaka. That's mean I am from Bangladesh and im Moment I live in Dhaka. Uh, I also said that mein Hobby is Fußball spielen oder Fahrradfahren. That's mean my hobby is football, playing football. My hobby is playing football and cycling. That means Fahrradfahren. That's all for now. Next, see you in the next video. Thank you.